Telecommunication and mobile phone companies have large GSM cell towers that require consistent power supply to serve customers around the clock and have a good mobile network coverage. In places where there is a frequent power outage, it can be a daunting task to operate all those towers on diesel generators. Furthermore, the running cost to refuel the genset is too high and bring tremendous challenges for preventive maintenance. Megapower helped Jawwal the Palestinian telecommunication company to run their cell towers on solar energy. We've installed solar system for 356 cell towers, total of 149 megawatt controlled by one single platform to monitor all the sites. It almost immediately increased the reliability of the network and reduced outages per year near to zero, in addition to the huge cost saving and environmental impact. Contact us for further details on how we could help you to save on fuel cost.